Hey you guys, Christa Clark with artisticvegan.com, and today I am doing a collaboration with Naked Shake, a new shake that is so delicious and it's really tasty. This is a chocolate peanut butter variety. I like to exercise and do yoga, dance and move a lot, and so I need to replenish. And this is a great way. It has a really wonderful amino acid profile, and you can learn all about how to get your own in the link below. So check out the blog over at artisticvegan.com, and I hope you love this new recipe. Let's get into how to make it. You're gonna need some dairy-free milk, some peanut butter, frozen bananas, and of course, the chocolate vegan protein powder, loaded with protein and a full amino acid profile. This is a really delicious protein powder, and the base is made of peas, which I love. To begin, just add your favorite dairy-free milk. You want 1 cup, 2 tablespoons of your favorite nut butter. I'm using a peanut butter, 1 cup of frozen bananas or 2 frozen bananas, and then your wonderful Naked Shake. The Naked Shake boasts 20 grams of protein, 8 grams of carbs, 130 calories. The pea protein is grown on US and Canadian farms. It has no artificial sweeteners, flavors, or colors. 20 grams of vegan protein with a complete amino acid profile. It's GMO-free, soy-free, vegan, and gluten-free. To your blender, add 2 heaping scoops of the protein powder. And then you'll just want to blend it up until it's nice and smooth. Scrape down the sides as needed to make sure you get all the delicious chocolate flavor. And they do have other flavors. Chocolate just happens to be my favorite. To a glass, you can add some peanut butter or your favorite nut butter. You don't have to, but it makes it extra tasty. And then you can pour in your protein shake. And that's it. You just enjoy it and feel the good, healthy benefits, rejuvenating your body, giving you the protein and strength you need to carry on your day. I hope you really like this recipe. You can get it over at artisticvegan.com, and you can get the protein powder over at nakednutrition.com and look for their Naked Shake variety. I hope you enjoy this, and I look forward to seeing you all again soon. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye. It's very delicious.